In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit HTML in a WordPress page or post. This can really give you more control over the look and functionality of your website, which is a great skill to have. Whether you're customizing your content or trying to fine-tune your website layout, knowing how to manage HTML can be a game changer. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. You'll need to enter your credentials to access the admin panel. Once you've logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and find either Posts or Pages, depending on where you want to make your changes. Click on the desired option. For this example, let's go with Posts. From there, you can either add a new post by clicking the Add New button or select an existing one that you want to modify. Now that you're in the post editor, let's switch it to HTML edit mode. WordPress uses a block editor commonly known as Gutenberg, which primarily shows content in a visual format, but it also supports editing in HTML. To switch formats, look at the top right corner where you'll find an icon with 3 vertical dots for more tools options. Click that, and a drop-down will appear. Here, you'll see the option to Code Editor. Select this, and you'll now see your post content displayed in HTML format. Once you're in the HTML view, you can start adding or editing your HTML. Don't worry if you're not an expert coder. Basic HTML isn't too complex. If you're not entirely comfortable with HTML, start by making small changes and see what effect they have. For instance, you might add a line break with the BR tag or emphasize a piece of text using the strong or M tags. Experiment comfortably in the HTML editor and preview changes to understand how it translates to the page. After making your changes, it's always a good idea to preview what the content looks like. You can do this by switching back to the visual editor, which is easily done by clicking the 3 dots again and choosing Visual Editor. Before you publish or update the post, use the Preview button, usually located near the top, to see how your content will appear on the live site. This step ensures that nothing appears broken or out of place. Once you're satisfied with your HTML editing and the post looks great both in visual and HTML views, it's time to save your changes. Simply click the Update button if you're editing an existing post, or Publish if it's a new one. These buttons are generally located on the right-hand side. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and edit HTML in a WordPress page or post. This skill gives you greater flexibility and allows you to tailor your site exactly to your liking. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.